On today's virtual tour, we talk about rehabbing 1980s oak cabinets and some incredible simulated wood tile floor. Hey everybody, Scott Monday with Kitchen Crate and Bath Crate, and today we're giving you a virtual tour of a recently completed project, Kitchen Crate Moet Drive in Modesto. So a lot of the projects we profile for you, they're pretty large, expansive projects with big islands and things like that. This one's going to give you a little bit of a different flavor, a little bit of a smaller U-shaped kitchen. So let's get right into this project. So one of the first things you're going to notice is these cabinets. They're expertly refinished. These are all original cabinets to this 1980s home. And you can see that kind of the creamy white that was used really pulls in the warm tones of the countertop and the splash, and it really came together well. Another thing I want you to notice is the countertops. This is a MSI bedrock quartz, a lot of brown tones in it, a lot of cream tones, things like that. And it plays really well with the travertine smooth subway tile. And you'll notice with that subway tile that there's actually a linear glass mosaic accent strip. And you can see that the subway tile is a travertine, a darker travertine. And then you pull in the dark of the linear mosaic accent strip and it just really pops. And one of the reasons it pops is because of the under cabinet lighting. You'll notice that lighting coming down and washing the backsplash. It's great to have that under cabinet lighting. So maybe in the evenings you don't want your overhead lighting on, but you want a little ambient light. So those LED under cabinet lights are just great to have in that scenario. The last thing I want to point out is the floor. This is a simulated wood floor. It's actually tile material. So what you get is you get the durability of tile, but you get the warmth of a wood floor. And once again, it really ties together with this U-shaped kitchen, warm tones, and just expertly refinished in every way. So if you have a need when it comes to a kitchen or bathroom remodel, we'd love to be your first call or your first website visit, kbcrate.com or 888-995-7996. Thanks so much for joining me on this virtual tour.